If you've ever had your drone die mid-shoot, your camera run out at the wrong moment, or your laptop hit 5% with no outlet in sight, this thing was literally built for that. The Anker SOLIX C200. Let me be upfront about one thing first. There is no AC outlet on this. No wall plug, you cannot run a coffee maker, a TV, or a blender. If that's what you need, stop here. This isn't for you. But if your everyday carry includes a phone, laptop, drone, or camera, keep watching. In real use, here's what this can actually do. Charge your phone 13 times, your laptop 2 to 3 times, your drone 5 to 6 times, your camera battery around 14 times. So if you're a photographer on a weekend shoot, a videographer on location, or just someone who hates hunting for outlets at airports, this covers a full day, easily. It has 5 ports, including a 140-watt USB-C, fast enough to charge a MacBook Pro at full speed, while still juicing up your phone and camera at the same time. And recharging it, 80% in about an hour 20 minutes, using a regular laptop charger. No bulky brick, no special cable. The battery is Life PFO4, rated for 3,000 charge cycles. That's not a marketing number. That means if you charge this every single day, it'll last over 8 years before the battery even starts degrading. Under $200, 3-year warranty, fits in a backpack. The only question is, do you actually need AC? If yes, look elsewhere. If no, this might be the last portable power station you buy for a while. Links in the description if you want to check the current price.